Welcome back to our latest update from the Spotify Camp Nou. The legendary home of FC Barcelona is undergoing one of the most ambitious transformations in football history. From new stands to VIP areas, modern parking, and a spectacular facade, the stadium is being completely reshaped. Today we'll take you step by step to see how the works are progressing. Prefabricated seating structures are now being carefully installed, supported strongly by reinforcement bars and formwork, prepared for upcoming concrete work. The vertical pillars are also rising steadily, gradually giving the upper stand a clear, well-defined, and impressive overall structure. Across the site, there is constant activity and visible rapid progress. Skilled workers are spread throughout the stadium, from the upper levels to the exclusive VIP areas and parking sections, ensuring steady construction development continues effectively on all critical working fronts without unnecessary delays. Inside the stadium, brick walls are being built quickly to close off internal areas, particularly beneath the stands and in the VIP zones. Panels and plasterboards are also being fitted carefully and precisely, creating the functional divisions for future rooms, lounges, offices, and additional useful spaces. In the parking area, construction is advancing quickly, steadily, and effectively, with visible improvements every week. Prefabricated panels, reinforcement steel, and slabs are being installed properly, gradually enclosing the structure. Large quantities of essential building material are already stored and prepared, highlighting remarkable overall progress achieved in this important critical section of the stadium project. On the exterior, the metal supports for the new stadium facade are already in place, aligned and firmly secured. The next step, the important installation of the very first louver, will truly be a historic and unforgettable milestone in the long-awaited transformation of the legendary Camp Nou. At the North Gold Diamond, reinforcement bars and vertical formwork panels are already positioned accurately with great precision. With this construction stage nearly complete, the carefully planned concrete pouring will soon follow, strengthening the section and further shaping its unique, iconic design. The new Barça Store is also moving forward with excellent speed and efficiency. The outer brick walls are firmly closing in the large structure, while interior plasterboard panels are carefully shaping the store's modern interior design and attractive future commercial retail spaces. Meanwhile, the Tribune and surrounding areas are very close to completion and already looking highly impressive. Prefabricated staircases are already securely in position, walkways are clean and well organized, and both railings and glass panels have been firmly installed, giving these sections a polished, modern, and stylish appearance. Overall, the works are progressing rapidly, efficiently, and successfully. Some zones are already nearing full completion, while others continue at a steady, well-controlled pace. Step by step, the massive and large-scale transformation of the iconic Camp Nou is becoming clearer, more visible, stronger, and truly impressive. If you enjoy this update, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more.